Hey, good morning. It's Dr. Bobbie from New You Body Sculpting, and I just wanted to get on here and do a short video. It is cold out here, but it's gorgeous, isn't it? Oh my gosh, you guys. I mean, we don't get a ton of snow in this area, so it's kind of nice, and it's definitely a blessing. And I don't know if you guys are feeling pretty much what most people have been feeling, that everybody's been celebrating, everybody's been feasting, and just getting back into those routines of working out, exercising, eating healthy, eating to nourish your body, moving your body, not only because it burns calories, but because it increases your happy hormones, your serotonin, dopamine, those happy hormones that help your brain to be more joyful, to be less stressed, you know. And I tell you what, I think it really takes being around other people who are also doing that. And that's the part that not everybody gets, is they think they can do this on their own, or they don't understand why they would need a program. But you guys, we need each other. And I'm so thankful that I have you guys to help keep me accountable, and that I got out here and went for a jog this morning. And again, it's not all about burning calories all the time. It's about getting outside, being in nature. This is my prayer and meditation time, to be alone and listen, and just get the day right, you know, get the day started right. And I'm excited that it's a snow day and that we're off today, and we can enjoy some nice hot tea with our family and just enjoy some time together, which is very precious in this day and age, right? You guys know that. Sorry, I'm so bundled up here. But anyway, I just want to encourage you guys. I don't know if anybody's encouraging you today, or maybe you're at home by yourself and you're feeling a little down. I know that can happen sometimes when we're kind of isolated by ourselves. So I just wanted to encourage you guys today to get around some people that will lift you up, that will encourage you, and will help you to do more, help you to be more. That's what 2018 is all about, doing more, being more, and sometimes just being still and being quiet, or sometimes just walking and listening. Somebody asked me, they said they exercise all the time, that they work 2 jobs, and they also have children, so they're never sitting down. And I said, yeah, but are you taking any time for yourself to just, you know, walk because you want to walk, not because you have to walk for your job, but walk just to listen and just to get that quiet so that you can hear more clearly. Your life just becomes so much more clear when you take a little bit of time for yourself. And sometimes that's hard, especially if you're a mom or dad. So what I do is I just try to do it first thing in the morning, so that the day doesn't take it away from me, so that it doesn't get lost in transaction or whatever, in transition, so it doesn't get lost, because it's easy to get going in your day, and there's so many other things that just will take precedence over that. So don't allow it. What I would say is start your day that way, and it doesn't have to be an hour. Get that out of your head, that it has to be a certain number of time, and that if you wake up late that you can't do it. No, do a couple of minutes, whether it's 15 minutes or 30 minutes or 5 minutes, it's still time for you to get your head right and get yourself right for the day. Trust me, you will handle stress so much better when you've taken that time for yourself to just be quiet and listen and read something positive, listen to something positive. Those are things that definitely have helped me. I know Rachel Clark would tell you the same thing, but we love you guys. We care about you guys. I'm thinking about you today, praying for you today, and I just want you to know there are people that care, and that people who want you to succeed, and we will surround you and help you and walk with you on that path. So if you are somebody who feels like you want to check into this program, give us a call. Today, obviously, we're closed, but give us a call on Monday at 618-998-9333 or 618-684-3344. You know, a lot of people can try to have weight loss things and things like that, and we've been doing this for a couple years now. But one thing you cannot duplicate, and that is heart for people And that's something that I know we have, and we have a purpose in this to help people. So we want to help you. Give us a call, and we will get with you and lock arms and walk forward together. All right, hope you guys have a great day. Hope this encouraged you. Spend some time today writing out your goals, your dreams. Get some pictures to go with that, and then figure out, who am I going to follow? Who am I going to get to help me walk this path out? And then get with those people. And if it's us, we're excited to be a part of your life. All right, we'll talk to you soon. God bless. I hope you're enjoying this weather and this time with your family. All right, have a great one.